Hello and welcome back, and today we're going to crochet this donut blanket square in this book I found at my local library. I'm going to need 3 different colors for this project: a color for the icing, a color for the donut itself, and the color of the square. I just chose white. I'm not using the exact same color she used. I like to randomize my colors based on my preferred color liking. So you can do that and make the donut whatever color you want. You're also going to need a 5.5mm crochet hook.
Hi and welcome back to Simply Made by Hand. If you enjoy this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into the video.
So begin with a magic circle and chain 1 in your magic circle. Then we're going to continue by making 12 double crochets into this magic circle. And I'm not sure if I mentioned that I am starting with my white yarn. So 12 double crochets, and then at the end of this round you are going to slip stitch to your first stitch. Now you're going to fasten off with your white, and we are going to start our next round with our tan. So I'm just starting with a slip knot, putting that on my hook, and joining to the back loop of any of these stitches. I like to start right before my join off, like 2 stitches before, so that I can crochet over this tail. So you're going to join to the back loop and make 2 single crochets into that first stitch. And then in the back loop of every stitch for this round, you're just going to put 2 single crochets in each stitch. This is definitely one of the more simple squares in this book. This one isn't that difficult to figure out. At the end of the second round, you should have exactly 24 single crochets. So go back, count, and make sure, and then slip stitch to your first single crochet. Now we are going to fasten off with our tan. We're going to join the icing color to the back loop of any stitch from round 2. I just make a slip stitch so then I can continue. You're going to make 1 double crochet in that very same stitch in the back loop. And all stitches of this round are worked in the back loop only. You're going to make 1 more double crochet in that same space. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then you're going to make 2 double crochets in the next, and then 1 double crochet in the next stitch after that in the back loop only. Repeat this all the way around. 2 in the next, and then 1 in the stitch after that. Have 36 double crochets, you can now slip stitch to your first stitch. For this round, I chained 1 and I'm putting 2 double crochets in that first stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next 2, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, then 1 in the next 2. You're going to repeat this all the way around. Make sure you have 48 double crochets and then slip stitch to your first stitch. Chain 1 and begin in your front loop. You're going to be working in the front loops only this round and work a slip stitch into the next 3. In the front loop only. Then you're going to make 1 single crochet, 2 half double crochets in the next, in the front loops, 1 half double crochet, and a single crochet into the next. And you're going to repeat that all the way around. So it's 3 slip stitches, a single crochet, 2 half double crochet, and then in the next stitch make a half double crochet and a single crochet, and you're going to repeat these steps all the way around. After I finish that round, I just slip stitch to my first stitch, and now we are going to fasten off with this color. The previous round was worked in the front loop. You can see the back loop on the back of your work, just a little loop, and we are going to be working into those. So you can make a standing slip stitch to any one of those back loops. You're going to make 1 double crochet into that very same stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the next 3. Then you're going to make 2 double crochets in the next, and then 1 double crochet in the next 3. You're going to repeat this all the way around, and at the end of this round you should have 60 double crochets. For our next round, you're going to go back to your white color, make a slip knot, put on your hook, and join to any stitch in the back loop. You're going to chain 1 and make 2 treble crochets in the back loop of that very same stitch. Then you're going to chain 2 and make 2 treble crochets in the back loop of the next stitch. Then you're going to make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and this entire round is worked in the back loops only. Then you're going to make 1 half double crochet in the next 2, 1 single crochet in the next 5, one half double crochet in the next 2, 1 double crochet in the next 2, 2 treble crochets over the next stitch, then you're going to chain 2 and make 2 treble crochets in the next stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way around. The next 2 rounds are very simple. You're just going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch, and then in the corners you're going to put 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. You're going to do that for a total of 2 more rows and slip stitch to the first stitch at the end of your row. And then it is optional, but you can add a single crochet border around the entire thing. I'm going to leave it off, so I'm just going to finish up these last 2 rows and fasten off. Our finished square. I've already sewed it onto my blanket, and I did another one up here in a different color. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.